Good morning and welcome to another episode of Pi Tou's Thai Kitchen. Now today we're going to be doing pad thai. We're going to be showing you how to make the sauce and how to cook the noodles. So this video will be in two parts. Please excuse the sunglasses. I'm feeling a little bit weary today, but it's a beautiful morning, so I thought why not? I'll sit out here, enjoy my morning coffee, and talk a little bit about today's video. So as I said, in the first video, Chef Pi Tou is going to be showing us how to make the pad thai sauce to use when you're stir frying your noodles and ingredients. And then in the second video, we'll be showing you how to put all those ingredients together, the timing, the speed, the technique of actually frying it in the wok. So that's it, and I'll pass you over to Pi Tou. Thanks, bye.
Hi, today we're going to make pad thai sauce the easy way. Everybody can make at home. The ingredient only three of this. Tamarind. This one we use 200 gram. Palm sugar 300 gram. Salt about 1 tablespoon. Right. This one we soak in the water first. Make it soft about 15 minutes. Okay, we soak the 200 gram tamarind soak with 2 liters of water until it becomes soft about 50 minutes, and then you squeeze the tamarind. It come like this. Right, you can see the color very brown, and then you drain it with this one. And this one you throw and put the palm sugar 300 gram, and then salt about 1 tablespoon. That's it, and you stir it about half an hour. Okay, after half an hour you can see the difference. The sauce become thicker. Look. And okay, I asked my helper to taste it.
Yeah, very strong flavor.
Oh yes, this one have to be strong flavor. Taste have to be sour, salty, and sweet. If you like more sour, after we fry with the noodle, you can add a piece of lemon. Oh, this one for the olden day, for the people they cook only put the salt, tamarind, and palm sugar. But nowadays the people they just change to put chili sauce or tomato, just make the color look nice. In Thailand they put with fish sauce, but our recipe we only put salt. Everyone can enjoy it, vegetarian or even gluten free. This one you can make about 10 portion, or after you left it, you can store in the cold room or the normal fridge. About the temperature between 2 to 8 degrees, can last for a month. This pad thai sauce and garlic leaf, dry shrimp, tofu, sliced shallot, beansprout, and pad thai noodle. So first we are going to start. We fried sliced shallot first until you can see the color turn to a little bit yellow, and you can get the smell from that. And then you put dry shrimp and keep on frying. and tofu. Yeah, mix together. Keep on frying. Yeah, and you can see the color change a bit, right? And you start to get smell. And then put the egg. And then you fry and mix together. You put the noodle and keep on frying. Yeah, until you can see the noodle getting soft. Yeah, keep on frying about 1 or 2 minutes. Yeah, the noodle getting soft. Yeah, you can see the noodles so soft. And then yeah, put a little bit of oil. Okay, then put pad thai sauce. Yeah, about 2 or 3 tablespoons. Yeah, and keep on frying. Yeah, and frying. Yeah, and then you can see. Yeah, and then you put the bean sprout. Yeah, put bean sprout and fry and mix together. And then put garlic leaf. Right. Yeah, and fry mix together. Yes, that's it. The final. Right, this is the pad thai. How our pad thai look like. Yeah, and you can have garlic leaf, a fresh one. You can have with it, and crushed peanut, and piece of lemon if you like more sour, and dry chili. Okay, this is our pad thai look like, and then this the chef who cook pad thai. All right, thank you very much for watching, and stay safe, stay healthy. Bye bye. See you again soon.